Hello, friends. It's finally here. I've been waiting for, well, I don't know, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, no, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 or 3, for all of my Black Friday items to arrive, and they're finally here. So I thought, what better thing to do than go through it with you all? I've been collecting these. Of course, everything gets shipped, willy-nilly. So I've been collecting them over the past few weeks, waiting to share them with you before I open them and start doing things with them. So I'm going to share these so that I can finally rip into them and look at things. So let's get started. So first off, Joann's was having a sale on all of their paper crafting supplies, which were, I think, 40 or 60% off. And then they had another sale where the paper crafting supplies went down to 40% off, but the paper crafting tools were included in the 40% off. So I found some really good deals. I know that I have a lot of this already, but I went ahead and got some more Ideology. It's Botanical Layers. I know I already have this, but that's okay. I got it again. I did find this metallic sticker book, which is really neat. I like the metallic idea, but what's cool is it has these labels, so that's kind of neat. And it's black and white. Juicy Christians, I don't know if you all watch her channel, but she loves backdrops, like just adores them. And so I got volume 2 and volume 3, but I accidentally got 2 volume 3s, which is fine. They're double-sided, so now that means I have one of each side. I haven't, well, I do have some Tim Holtz Ideology, what's the word I'm looking for? Paper, but I don't think that I have the actual backdrops. So I thought, let's see what the big deal is. They're supposedly like really nice. Oh, they are nice. They're very smooth. Yeah, this feels a lot like his paper pads, which I have had many, many, many times. Ooh, look at that. These are really cool. And then they're double-sided. So that'll be fun to make tags and maybe even little journal pages. Yeah, cool. All right, so I got volume 2, and then I got 2 volume 3s, so I'll be using those forever. I got another set of the Field Notes snippets. I got these because I thought they were bigger, but these are actually the tiny ones. But that's okay, because turns out I use these on tags and artist trading cards a lot. I really like these small ones, so happy to have some more of those. I got some embossing glaze, which I know I haven't done any of that on my channel yet, but I do have embossing glaze, and I'm very excited to try it and use it. The colors I have right now are very bright. They're like clown colors, like purple, orange, red, blue. So these are a bit more muted, so I'm very excited about that. I got Crackling Campfire Salvage Patina, which is my favorite distress color. And then this one is, I don't know what that one is. Does it say on here? No. Well, let's open it and let's find out what this green is. This green is Cracked Pistachio. So there we go. Fun, 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 fun. How exciting. And then I got some craft stock because Seven Plaza did she did, I think, tags. I don't know, it was so long ago now. But she used the black craft stock, and she was like, this stuff is great. And so I got that, but then they also have metallic craft stock. So I got that as well, because how much fun is that gonna be? Very excited about that. I got some double-sided score tape because it was also on sale and I'm running low on mine. So I got a 1/4 inch, 1 inch, and a 1/2 inch. So that's good for bookmaking. Speaking of books, I got 2 books. So I got the 1500 color mixing recipes for oil, acrylic, and watercolor. And what this is, first off, there's a whole thing about, color theory, but then tells you these are the colors that you need. And when you have these colors, you can mix all these other colors, which is so helpful because there's times where I'm choosing colors and I am thinking, well, I don't know which ones to get. I guess I get the ones that I like. So this is great because there's like a whole, list. Go buy these colors. So I think if I ever invest in like a nice set of paints, I'm going to just use this and buy them by the tubes. And then you can make all of these different colors, and it tells you what colors to use up here, and then it shows you what all you need to mix these colors together. Oh, this is for watercolor. See, that'd be really useful. Oh, nice. So I'm very excited about that. I don't remember where I got the notion about this book. I want to say that it was from Everything Art, from Kasia. If I saw her name written down, I'd be able to pronounce it. So that's cool. And then the other book I got, I've had this book in my Amazon cart for a very long time, and it finally went on discount for Black Friday. And this is just different birds, bees, butterflies. Ooh, those are pretty. I do like these sticker books. I know that they're not like super great because they're not die cut perfectly, but that's okay. And then I got these two 49 and Market card kits. They were also on I think they were 60% off. I got a Christmas one. I was hoping I would get everything before I made all my Christmas cards that I mailed out, but of course, the best laid plans. So I wasn't able to use these to send out Christmas cards this year, but maybe next year. So if you want to possibly get a Christmas card from me, don't forget to join the Facebook group because that's where I do those fun extras like that. So those are fun. I'm probably not going to use these to make cards. I just liked the colors in here. And so I'll probably just use those for collage and other things. Well, let's do this first. So speaking of embossing, I did get these Nuvo embossing powders. Whoa. I got this green, and then I got this gray, and there's a blue hiding somewhere. Here's the blue. I think these were the only colors that they had, but they were on deep discount on Joann, and so I got them. And I'm very excited. So they're going to go with my other embossing powders. I love embossing. I used to do so much of it when I did scrapbooking stuff. So the tools were 60% off. So I went ahead and got myself the biggest Score Pal board you can get. I think it's the biggest. Anyway, I got the 12 by 12. So this way, I don't know if anybody saw me with my Temu board trying to make that portfolio back in September. It was a chore. So I have this new big board where I can lay out the folio parts. I'm very, 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 very excited about that. I got some embossing styluses because I kept seeing people use their embossing stylus, especially with their scoreboard. And I was like, oh, that looks really handy. And these were I think they ended up being like $4 or $6. It was very, very affordable. So I thought that was a good deal. So very excited about those as well. And then I got this trimmer. This is Tonic Studios trimmer. Full disclosure, I thought all of the orange parts were black because that was the picture that I was shown, but they are orange. I also thought one of these blades was a scoring blade, but they're both cutting blades, but that's okay. Right now, all I have is my little Cry-Cut one, which works fine and it's okay, but sometimes that blade is not great. So I'm hoping that these blades are better. So very excited to try that and my Score Pal. And finally, I have this, which isn't a Black Friday find, but it is a find. So Seven Plaza did this grungy journal she called Gunther, and she used file folders for it. And she had these very specific file folders that I could not find in the US at all. They're like tri-fold and they flip up and out and everything. But while I was looking for them, I found these. And I've got this huge box of a lot. Nope, no markings. I don't remember how many are in here. But it was only like $20 for this whole box. But the cool part is they have this accordion spine on them. And I thought I can make folios out of these. And they're chipboard. It's a very thin chipboard, so they're very sturdy. So I'm hoping in the next year, in 2024, I will be making folios. And I mean, I could even make a journal out of this. You could just trim that off and voila, journal. So hopefully these will come into play in a video very soon, because that will be fun. I'm very excited about that. And that's my haul. All these fun things. If you want links to any of them, let me know. This is the Alina card kit, and this is the Holiday Wishes card kit, if you're interested in those. I think the sales are all over with, obviously. And yeah, got some embossing inks. So exciting. I can't wait to play with all of my Tim Holtz fun, pretty things. That's gonna be fun and exciting. Yes, yes. I love them all. All right, thanks for joining me. I'm so glad that y'all are here. I hope that you enjoyed my little mini haul, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend.